Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Therefore, there is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. Kennedy Japan eba bontin ebe kasaye no. Salis of Salis newspaper, Salis Yakubu of Salis newspaper. Who watches the Watchman? Woye video nema Kennedy Japan edi expose anas. As Salis na so na nsenya President Akufo-Addo alleged bribery video. Salis na ene deba bontin no. Waba bontin ababe ataki Kennedy Japan so. Eden sembi kesiye atutuja allegations akesiye to Kennedy Japan so. Na Mr. Answer na ebetu aso no. Infonina echichegu e screen so no. Sisi ade emse ba infonina na echichegu screen so no. Open source support your channel we are very simple. Link no our description box ni mo. Wo click here. Ye be ship ya bro ewo approach baby a wo bia ye sheda eye emambro fofo ana say Ghana for am wo approach enye say mbro fofo Ghana for am wo approach. We also subscribe and click the notification bell so you understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Now let me take you back because obi wo na ebia wo nim dia aircourse. So let me take you guys back and then I will explain matters and then you guys will understand what's going on. I'm very sorry for that, but my main church in Semwase na munia monti ase in sem ni. Now I don't know unless you don't know what's going on in Ghana. Yenim say there is a video, a bribery video. After say, to President Akufo-Addo. So, and who send the yakan. Now, me babontin ebeka say. Now, I want to hear what Kennedy Japan will say because our branch now, yes, our video now would go President Akufo-Addo anymore. No, on one or ye video ever announcement. Who watches the Watchman? Kennedy Japan edi mot into mind. Ediku anase nim ase ewo krom ha. It is our branch anase anso akoye the same video and also anase so the other two so a bribe. But sanso akoye the same video on a year President Akufo-Addo what the bribe to so dia. The person me tie the Kennedy Japan ebeka because we used to a branch in the Jumada. Inti ende wo be rejected and ende wo be sum. Inti e hwan na me hu say Kennedy Japan wo ba bonten ebe respond here and am de bremo. Na response a Kennedy Japan ba bonten me kan ne say sa brantie no wo ye evil tie ni ye Kennedy Japan say a brantie no ye evil tie say wo ye obi a trimu boni a hye ni trimu ma ana adwen boni sorry sa na wo say me kan adwen boni a hye ni trimu ma a brantie no ye obi a wo nya abrante pa Kennedy Japan kan sa na me ka say Kennedy Japan Inti woka sende sa brand and wanya brand pano. Was it after you used his video to expose Anas? Anas say sisi a brand and the same thing what the year Anas no what the year President Akufo-Addo inti na woka sa brand and wanya brand pana na. Kennedy Japan kan sem bebre e kan say wo pesa wakasa efa a brand and ni video na nsem a wo ye fa Anas ho a wo de bre wo no Kennedy Japan kan but ono Kennedy Japan ne Anas e wo case e wo court. Into mbesa obeka sa asem ni sisia na wone Anas case no ewia wo obeyi abrante yi ho entoma na wama amansenye hu se abrante ni chimu odin yie asema Kennedy Japan kan no. So one at this particular janta me ankasa no me Melodies I am very confused because one abrante no two videos so far any yehu na samo share sa bribery video we very well krana wo name no who watches the Watchman part 2 say din na brand and the two so we say who watches the Watchman part 2 na try say a brand na ye two videos baako on Anas baako on President Akufo-Addo. Now Kennedy Japan he chose to use Anas there no edigu Anas enimu ase eba President Akufo-Addo there ne there we see any dey won use na wo use or can dia branch and atem. You see, and I told you, and if you don't know my stand on this, I strongly believe that the video is doctored. I strongly believe. Ebetumi aba say I believe it's not right. Ebetumi aba say I am wrong because me nyankopon. If I believe in something or if I see say this thing is the truth, it can come out say be the truth. So me saying say I believe say the video no, it has been doctored no. A lot of people are attacking me, but it is not my concern. That is what I think. I think the video is doctored. Just like Anas there no Abrante and the fan Anas from by me better now has say yeah analysis on the video car say Abrante any video why fan Anas no a intro who steady video ni yeah and someone now say can enya na Abrante and intro was say in Crawford Jimmy Ndi. Now so what did the same thing here President Akufo-Addo there. That is when people began to understand say their melodies can far Anas there ne hono enuni na AC. You see how it is. But nini na eyade wo me I'm not bothered. Abrante no after Kennedy Japan ba bonten be kan ne ho asem no wono so ba bonten e de nsem abetudwa. Abrante no allege say Kennedy Japan sorry a was yani ene obi nim woni we yada ene Nigerians ni we yada ene we ni we yada ene Mahama ni we yada ene Tracy Boachi ni we yada ene A+ ni we was see Kennedy Japan sorry a wo cancer ansem no wono Abrante no wo videos of Kennedy Japan wa woni imba eda. Say Kennedy Japan wan hwe yi a wo be release. That is what this Salis guy is saying. Na nsema wakan ya no woni Kelvin Taylor and a year interview. Wakan sembo tie interview ni ye pa interview no pon me shada antie ni na won say me won. If I'm listening to something I really want to get it intimate ni piece. Ntie bia me tie 10 minutes kakra na 10 minutes no ma making sure say ma tie asie ye na ma sanso akotie the next 10 minutes. Nti interview ni de me tie ni kakra me tie bi ama ma tie asie fine. Me gusua etie Abrante no wakan ensem de wakan but as we are going on no me the ensem no ebebremo just that ebia watchina election nti ebia na yakwa ye busy na fe election news nkwa na election stories nkwa ene ye den ena ye de ebremo but Abrante na sema wakan no wasi videos ne kan no wo be send ya Kelvin Taylor na osi anya no pe o osi anya no pe wo hwe ameswale wuo ameswale ewu na wono Abrante no wo evidence a etrese Kennedy Japan ehya ase was obo Kennedy Japan din na Abuja po was nkrofu two way ameswale ni wuo no omo hya ase because eyo no Salis no na trese wonim de echo. That's what this guy is alleging. Kennedy Japan in his response to the guy or in his statement to the guy also said say Salis no any Anas ene bomu ekum Ahmed. Meanwhile it was the same Kennedy Japan who said say Anas asake sa Salis no because Anas Salis no be catch say Anas asake no because Anas no edge bribe na Salis na chi no. It was also the case say Salis no ne Anas ne bomu kun swale no na afei I didn't really understand. Obi awa woka say woni Salis no wasake Salis no ni nye adwuma biom ne banse no ni bo mu a wosan so kokun Ahmed Swale. It Abrante nso de woka no wo say Ahmed Swale wuo ne de evidence wo ho a wo hu ne say Kennedy Japan ene Abujinapo. Wabo Abujinapo din who is I think the deputy chief of staff. Etiefo wo say he has 6 videos. Na me pese me video asema wo de tu twa pote na nkwa yes me melodies na me kan asema hye ne num. We say you always hear Kennedy Japan say this person has slept with that person. We say I will show his videos for the whole world to see the women Kennedy Japan has been sleeping with. Asema Abrante na kan no. We say wo Kennedy Japan so ya wo na wo be release video na Ghana fo ehu emba ase be Kennedy Japan woni omo eda na nini name no ye twen say Kennedy Japan will respond to this threat but the air person no Abrante no so afire back at Kennedy Japan threatening to show his sex tapes. The other one no minim wo call Kennedy Japan ho a woni no ekoye whatever no I am not saying say ebia indeed me I feel say he's just bluffing. But let's wait to see. Ebiana, you see, assembly after the elections, because any say elections say ban bribery video any about say Ebiana after elections, so let's just wait to see. yɛn hwɛ sɛ Ken Japan bɛ because Ken Japan is also saying sɛ wɔbɛ expose no aberante no nso wɔ videos wei deɛ 2 people a wɔn ho sɛ wɔn ɛyɛ investigators wɔn investigating nkurɔfoɔ Ghanafoɔ ɛgye Ken Japan di sɛ ɛba investigation deɛ wɔyɛ adeɛ aberante no nso at least ɔne a nurse ayɛ adwuma da nti yɛnim sɛ he has some expertise with investigative journalism nti no let's wait let's see wɔn ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn expose wɔn ho a na yɛahwɛ deɛ ɛrekɔ nti mo nkyɛn mo adwuma comment box mo tie for medase